happen to get greedy.
You're like, wait, who is it for? Your brother? You should tell him like what he was doing, how he was grouping everything into one.
All right, looks like Tyler is ready to rumble.
Alright, so I did my presentation on QuickBooks. QuickBooks was originally patterned after the personal budgeting system that Intuit first came out with called Quicken, which is mostly for your personal finances and didn't include, like QuickBooks does, all the small business platform needs. QuickBooks began hitting shelves in 1998, and really Intuit wanted to create a program that would offer small business owners the flexibility of an easy-to-use software package and the structure and compliance required to run a profitable business, which is what we've all seen as we've gone through QuickBooks tutorials and case. As you compare Quicken with QuickBooks, really what it is QuickBooks comes with more features for the small business, while Quicken was for the personal finances of a household or an individual. And another difference is the prices. As you can see, QuickBooks is $150 to $400, while Quicken is $40 to $80. In 1998, QuickBooks was great for day-to-day bookkeeping, but it relied on professional accountants for monthly and year-end services. While in 2000, they came out with kind of their biggest update. It included audit trials and single and double injuries. And then they began developing niche products, including those with basic and advanced features that were tailored to contracting, retail, manufacturing, and nonprofit businesses. They also came out with the Pro Series, which was made to strengthen the relationship between the accountants and the business owners. It created an accountant version of it so that it was easier to transfer your end-of-year and end-of-month numbers to your accountant. But the most recently, they've added payroll processing, remote access options, electronic payment functions, online banking, and the ability to import and export to Microsoft Excel, and Windows and Linux software. I also found QuickBooks Point of Sale, which, as we all know, as we've gone to like Target or Walmart, as you check out and they scan your item, it goes into their inventory and it tells them what they've sold and what they need to order. But QuickBooks came out with a cheaper version of that for the small business. It boosts their bottom line. It gives them a graph of what they're selling and what's not. You can see the performance at a glance, and it keeps them happy and coming back. Who uses QuickBooks? Primarily it's small business owners without accounting training, but it can also be used for personal money management, like college students or households. Why you would use it? It has an over 80% share in the small business accounting software market. It makes it extremely simple to forward your end-of-year numbers to your accountant. The benefits of QuickBooks: it's easy to set up and learn, given we've gone through the case and we've all had our difficulties. You can quickly find what you need. You can easily create invoices and track sales and expenses. You can be ready at tax time with complete and accurate records and know where you're not making money. The disadvantages is it's expensive. The premium version is $400. There's also a version that's $1,600. It has become complicated and loaded with many features that most of us don't like. Filing version is not totally secure from the tax, so if your numbers are online with those versions, you're at risk for a tax or a tax. And we've gone through the case project. We've learned how to create invoices, sales receipts, bills, vendors, and employees, including payroll. The case project has created a company from the beginning. QuickBooks compared to Granite Bay, even Granite Bay is not something used with a small business, but it's just much easier to correct errors, and it's easier to check your end-of-date balances. we've seen the benefits, the features, the disadvantages, who uses it, why they use it.